Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken in green masala. For that I have taken half kg of chicken pieces, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 big potato I have cut in pieces. This is coriander leaves and mint leaves. This I have chopped it. I'll make a paste of this. This is 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic and green chili paste. And here it is salt as per taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half of turmeric powder, half of cumin powder, half of garam masala, and half tablespoon of coriander powder. So here I have fried about 5 medium sized onions till golden brown. So to this I am going to add this ginger garlic and chili paste, just saute for a minute till the raw smell goes. Now add tomato paste. Just cook for a minute. Now add these chicken pieces and potatoes. Potato is optional. If you want, you add it. Mix it well and let it cook on a slow flame for 5 minutes. Now to this I will add this masala. And again mix it well. Cover it and cook for 5 minutes. The oil has separated from masala. So I will put this paste of coriander and mint leaves. And again mix it well. Add little water. Now leave this to cook on a medium flame till 15 to 20 minutes and keep on stirring in between. So here our curry is done now. So here our chicken in green masala is ready to serve, and this can be served with rice, roti, paratha or naan.